Hey, time for another unboxing. Today we are going to unbox the Jurassic Park Collection. This sucker contains Jurassic Park, The Lost World, Jurassic Park 3, and Jurassic Park 3D. So, let's get out the trusty knife, be very, very careful, and slice along the non-dotted line. And hope my knife is sharp enough. Yes, it is. Okay. Let's take a look. Now this is also supposed to have the movie monies. Apparently 3054. So there's my movie monies. So here we go. Here is the front cover. The side spine. The pull-out portion spine. Here's the back portion of it, which can be, if you wish, removed. I do not remove them. I keep them if the back is not the same, and it is not in this case, so I will keep it together. And then we just have it so it slides out like so. Empty in there, nothing left. And get you this little booklet, which when you open up, get your digital codes, a little advertisement for Jurassic World the game, and some Back to the Future thing coming in 2015. And so you open it up, and you know, each one is Jurassic Park, little pictures of it, and then the discs are unfortunately in sleeves. There's the disc for Jurassic Park. I'm not a big fan of sleeves like this because you can wreck the discs. Luckily Blu-ray is hardier, if you will, than DVD, so it's less likely. Here's the one for Jurassic Park 3D. Again, it's essentially just images from the Jurassic Park movie. And here's what the 3D disc looked like. And Lost World Jurassic Park. Again, images from the movie. Yeah, if Jurassic Park is a series that you're really, you know, going to be watching a lot, I wouldn't suggest getting anything like this. There's the disc for it. Simply because, yeah, if you're going in and out, in and out, in and out on this, you're going to wreck something. There's Jurassic Park 3. And number 4. That's right, if you have the wish to get it, it leaves you with a little spot that you can put Jurassic World into, which is nice, so you can put everything together. Of course, you know. Oh, bonus! It even leaves you a spot with Jurassic World 3D. Go, little placeholders for the Jurassic World releases. And then finally, just a back page gives you release days. Though it should technically have, you know, right in here, it should have Jurassic Park 3D. I mean, it's included in this release, but they didn't include the poster. It's a different poster. So, yeah. It's cool that they include the Jurassic World placeholders in this. Now, for me, personally, I will likely keep Jurassic World 3D, because I'll buy the 3D copy, in the case that it comes in. But that's just me. And then it'll just, you know, sit beside this. But for those of you who are trying to save space who are Jurassic Park fans, if you get the Jurassic Park collection, looks like this. There are other Jurassic Park releases, sets. This one here comes with all the movies previously released on Blu-ray, plus spots for Jurassic World and Jurassic World 3D. So, there you go. Of course, if there's another Jurassic Park movie after Jurassic World, which we're all pretty sure is going to happen considering it broke all the records, yeah, this packaging with its placeholders kind of pointless because they'll release another one. One would assume. But anyways, thanks for sticking around and checking out Jurassic Park Collection on Blu-ray.